Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you the 3-day immune boosting soup. So let's get started.
So what it is you get lentils. You can find this lentils, it's the red lentils, or you can get the green one. It's very easy to cook this. All you have to do is get like less than half pot of water and then about 2 cups of lentils, and you just gotta wash your lentils really good and just add it to the water, and you gotta make sure that you get it all out of there. There you go, almost. So you add all that in there. So you want to add a little bit of cumin, and when you add that, it's just like a little bit of sprinkle, not a whole lot, and then a tablespoon of salt. Okay guys, and then we're gonna get a tablespoon of salt because we're making half a pot, and then you want to mix all of this. So you want to mix all of that, and you have to make sure that you boil it on medium heat so it takes its time to cook. And the lentils is one of those beans that cooks very easily and quickly. You just got to make sure that your ingredients are mixed pretty good, and you can let it cook on a medium heat for about half an hour, and then you can come back and check it. Okay guys, so this is what lentils look like when it's halfway cooked. So you gotta make sure that you're looking at yellow, and the original status is orange, and now it's yellow. Now when it is actually cooked, well, the next step that we're gonna need to do is take that off the pot and put it in a blender and blend it into a really thin watery soup. Oh, and what I forgot to mention is, you see all that foam on the sides, you guys? All you have to do is get that stuff out of there, because it's not going to do anything. It's just going to be not very pleasant to eat. Just go ahead and get rid of that. And the rest of it. Okay guys, now that I got everything blended, I moved the blended part of the soup into a new pot, and then I'm gonna fry up some onion. I only have like a quarter of an onion with a little bit of olive oil that I'm trying to saute a little bit here so I can add it into my soup. I'm gonna wait for the onion to heat up and it turns to golden brown, and I'm gonna move it back to my pot here. I'm gonna let it simmer on a low heat for about half an hour, and you just got to keep watching it, make sure it doesn't burn. Let's stir it. Okay guys, so I have a lemon cut in halves, 2 halves, and I have a little bit of ginger here that I'm gonna go ahead and put them in a blender cup. I'll squeeze the lemon in there and then blend the ginger. It's about an inch of ginger. I'm gonna go ahead and blend those together and then add them to a 1 bowl of soup. Okay guys, so here is what this soup looks like after it's done, and I have a strainer here. Then I'm gonna pour my mixture that I did over here, the lemon and ginger. I'm gonna pour it through it, that way I'm only getting the shot of lemon and ginger into my soup.
I call this soup the 3-day soup. Basically by the 3rd day you're gonna feel a huge difference from where you started until the 3rd day. You gotta try this soup, it's really good. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, leave me a comment, and I will see you in my next video.